Okay, here we go. Welcome back. This is day 16. 30 days, 30 opals. This one has color right through the middle of it. It's got some pretty colors in it, but I've got matrix on both sides of it. So this should be a pretty interesting opal once it's all shaped. But first off, we'll knock off this outside excess. Then we'll dome and shape the cap. Okay, that's get all the junk knocked off. It's really tall cap for the size of opal. So let's knock some excess off. Get that dome smaller. We'll go ahead and rough that outside bevel real quick while I'm here. And then we'll move over to refine it on the next wheel. We'll get that right down to the opal layer on the outside. Close as we can without hitting it. Put another angle on it. That looks pretty good. And then we can roll it. I think that's a little heavy on this side. I need to roll a little bit off of that side. Now that looks a little more even. Right there. We'll move to the next wheel and don't know why we're wanting to focus over there, but alright, got that outside girdle polished, and now we're going to finish rolling and easing out everything on the top of this. Spin her around. And I think that's a little bit over here on this edge. Okay, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and move to the next wheels and polish. Awesome looking opal. Alright, next wheel. Wish you guys could see what I'm seeing here, but maybe you can a little bit. Anyway, let's polish the next wheel and get that cerium oxide on the end. Hit the cerium out here real quick. Water going on it. Yeah, it's going right. See if we can zoom in. Without losing. Okay. Anyway, there's day 16. And it's got some great color running through there, surrounded by the matrix. So get some still images and get this thing loaded up for you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps get my videos out there to more people. Anyway, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 17.